How to make money on Temu. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Temu app, and once you do that, make sure that you are logged in to your account. After that, click on the view icon at the bottom center of the screen and then click on the option that says earn credits and free gifts. Then after that, click on the option that says redeem cash, and you will get to this page right here in which you will be able to make money on Temu. As you can see right here, you have this spin wheel in which you will be spinning to collect coins. And as you can see at the top, it says that every 150 coins will give you $1. However, you have a limited spins, and in order for you to get more spins, you will need to refer your friends. So as you refer friends, you will get more and more spins, which means that you'll be able to collect more and more coins, which means that you will be able to collect more money. And as you can see right here, it has some kind of levels. So level 1 is PayPal $1, level 2 is PayPal $2, level 3 is PayPal $3, etc. And if we scroll down right here, it says it kind of explains to you how to redeem cash on Temu. So it says refer friends with your link and spin the wheel to earn coins and redeem your star coins for cash, just like I explained. So to repeat the process, you need to refer friends, collect spins, use those spins to spin the wheel, and then collect the coins. And once you have enough coins, you will be able to redeem them to money, which goes up and up by each level, as you can see right here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can make money on Temu. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.